Good morning, SK.
Good morning, SK.
Welcome back, SK.
Good morning, South.
Mine.
What's up, SK fans? I'm Michael.
And I'm Carson. Welcome to today's Half Show.
Half show? It's not something to bring out the super spoon. That is Sunday.
Oh, we still have news, so let's do it. If you lost something recently at school, today is the final day to collect it. Go to the security office and make sure nothing you own is in the lost and found. Another reminder that if you have prescription or over-the-counter medications, you must have a signed doctor's order to be able to have them at school. Make sure you give the order and the medication to the health office and keep them safe. If you have any questions, see Nurse Jody Friedman. If you need help with math, then come on down to room 222 on Monday, Wednesday, or Thursday to get help from a teacher. They are happy to help. The Career Center is hosting Military Mondays. The Navy will be the next branch to stop by. If you want to explore the seas in a different way, the Divers Institute of Technology will be there Tuesday. Make sure you sign up to the Career Center if you want to attend. We have seen many schools in our region doing walkouts, speeches, or students wanting to be heard on the topic. Now is your chance to actually make the difference.
Hey Sal, there are still spaces available in the next week's sexual assault workshop. This is a great opportunity to actually make a difference and see change. South is teaming up with an organization called Scarlet Road that will provide training on prevention, identification, and safe, supportive healing processes for victims. It will consist of 2 one-hour sessions next Thursday and Friday during the school day. Space is limited, so you'll need to sign up with your counselor or at the Career Center before the event.
Remember that space is limited, so be sure to sign up today. On the sports news, the esports team played yesterday and fought hard, but ended up with a 1-3 loss in Rocket League. Stay tuned with WTV as winter sports head into playoff action tomorrow. Wrestling will be at Curtis tomorrow morning for regionals, while our lady wrestlers will be at Aberdeen. Basketball will face Camas for a loser-out game as they continue into playoffs. For all future spring athletes, make sure you do a baseline concussion test. If you were in 9th and 11th grade, a new student, or someone who had concussion last seasons. After all, spring sports registration is open online. Make sure you have your physical and registered before tryouts on February 28th. Shifting gears, we have another profile for Black History Month. Today we're looking at an astronaut from Washington State.
Originally born in New York in '59, Michael Anderson moved to Fairchild Air Force Base just outside of Spokane. After graduating from Cheney High School, he went to UW, where he earned a bachelor's degree in physics and astronomy. After graduating, he was commissioned in the Air Force as a second lieutenant. His time in the Air Force had Michael going all over the nation as he served as a flight instructor, a tactics officer, and as a pilot of Strategic Air Command's Looking Glass. By '94, he had logged over 3,000 hours in the sky when he was selected by NASA for its astronaut training program. Passing the training, his first flight into space was aboard the Space Shuttle Endeavour, where he was a mission specialist. His next and final trip was aboard the Space Shuttle Columbia. Today, he's remembered throughout the state with several statues, with one in downtown Spokane and one at the Museum of Flight, where they also have an aerospace program in his honor.
We'll have another profile next week. SK DECA also has honorary people as well. In fact, the Student of the Month for first semester has been revealed. September has Jesse, October has Sammy, November has Ruby, December has Maya, and January has Ava. Congratulations to all these outstanding people. The sophomore class has Rose and Valentine Graham sales ending today at 3 p.m. So if you want to get something for your own special one, today is your last chance. Meeting today are Builders in Unity, Mental Health Awareness, and Mandarin, who will be having a meeting. Will be having a Chinese New Year celebration. Meeting Monday will be ASL, Magic the Gathering, and Model UN.
As you may know, today is the final day of Spirit Week, Jersey Day, not just for sports jerseys, but all kinds of jerseys. If you want to show your support for not just the teams at the Super Bowl, but our own teams, then today is your last day to earn points for your class this Spirit Week. Right now, the senior class has a 29-point lead. So if you underclassmen want to dethrone them, here's what you have to do. Make sure to DM the ASB Instagram account a pic of your Spirit. Be sure to be a part of the lunch activities and complete the scavenger hunt. The final clue is touchdown, Galazzo, hole-in-one splash. Send us your best trick shot to win all the cash. So, Carson, who are you predicting will win the Super Bowl?
Rams, obviously. What about you?
Mark with a super spoon could single-handedly win against both them at the same time.
You know, saying the truth to end the halftime show is pretty good. I'm Carson.
And I'm Michael. See you later, South.